and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today I have one of my favorite desserts, which is my chocolate walnut brownie. So I've just prepared this and it's all ready, as you can see. And let me show you a piece. So this is it. It's got a lot of walnuts and it's nice and gooey in the center with a lovely crust on the top. So I've just baked it, it's out of the oven, and I've just cut it up into nice big cubes like this. So this is just a one pot brownie, chocolate and walnut brownie recipe, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. It's one of the simplest brownies ever and anyone can make it. Just follow the instructions and follow the recipe to the T with the right measurements and you're there. So let's jump into today's recipe.
So friends, let's see today's delicious chocolate walnut brownie recipe, which is super easy. So to a double boiler, I'm going to be adding 1.5 cup of dark chocolate compound that I've just chopped up into smaller pieces because that way it melts easier. And to this, I'm going to be adding 3/4 cup of butter. It's helpful if the butter is at room temperature. So just mix these two ingredients together till they become into a really smooth paste and they melt like this. We shouldn't have any lumps in this, so it should be a very smooth kind of a batter. And now we're going to take it off the double boiler. To it I'm going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. So all I've done is just taken 3/4 of a cup of sugar, powdered it in my mixer jar and added that. Now mix this in well. Next, I'm going to be taking 3 eggs, but we're going to beat the eggs up well before adding. That makes it easier, and it gets mixed up with the rest of the ingredients really well. So give it a good whisk, and then just pour it into with the rest of the ingredients, and give it a thorough mix. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You could also add extract if you have it at hand. Now mix all of this really nicely together. And now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of flour, which is plain flour or all-purpose flour. And again, give all of this a good mix. Now we just have one more ingredient and we are all set to go. So this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. You can go with more or less. And now I'm just going to pour this batter into a lined cake tin. It's such a smooth, silky batter. I can't wait for the brownie to get ready. And now we're going to bake this in this preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. But keep an eye because every oven is different. And here our brownie is all ready. My entire kitchen has this beautiful aroma of brownies. And I can't wait to dig in. So I'm just going to wait for it to come to room temperature. And then I'm just going to demold it, take off all the baking paper. And then I can't wait to just cut it up into nice large cubes. And it's so soft and gooey. Because we added less cake flour or less plain flour, it becomes gooey, otherwise it comes into a cake consistency. So it needs to be soft and gooey. And that's it, guys. Your lovely chocolate walnut brownie is all ready to dig in. It's so delicious. And you can see all the walnuts.
Wasn't this a real simple recipe, this lovely chocolate and walnut brownie? So a few tips I'd like to give you over here is that you keep all your ingredients ready before you start making the recipe. Don't hunt for the ingredients at the last minute. Keep everything ready. Now I love to use dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate too, but I like the dark chocolate flavor for this brownie. It really goes well. And add the walnuts, guys. Of course, if you're allergic to walnuts, then you can drop it off. But walnuts and this dark chocolate compound is just amazing. And isn't it really simple? You just put everything into a big bowl and you're all set. So do try out this recipe and do let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. It's super simple and really delicious, and it goes very well with a nice big dollop of vanilla ice cream. I have a recipe for homemade vanilla ice cream. I'll leave that down below, and just pour some lovely chocolate sauce on the top, some Hershey's chocolate sauce on the top, and you're all set. And of course, don't forget the sprinkles if you're giving it to kids. So guys, that's all for today. I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care guys. Bye. And of course, don't forget to like this video, hit the thumbs up icon that you see below the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, click the notification bell, that way you won't miss out any of the recipes on my channel. So with all of that said and done, bye. See you soon.